Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Camaro, please help me subscribe and click that bell notification so every time I have new videos you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2014 Camaro 3.6. Right now I'm changing out the alternator. The alternator is undercharged. So right now with the engine running, I hooked in the jumper and it's only charging at 11.5, so that's a bad alternator. Before you start working on the alternator, go to the trunk and disconnect the negative terminal. I took out the air tube right here, and I took out the belt. This is the tensioner right here. This is 1/2, so I took out the belt on the alternator side only, and I removed the 2 bolts from the bottom. So one right here, one right here. That's a 15 millimeter. That's the 2 bolts. And I took out the nut right here, which under this coolant pipe right here. That's a 15 millimeter. Now you can remove it. And then after you remove the alternator, you can get to the battery cable. So I removed the alternator out here already. So for this tab, the connector, press on this tab right here to get it to unlock. Pull straight up, and this is the 13 millimeter, and that way you can remove it. Here's my new alternator. This is a Reman. That's the brand. This is the part number right here, and then this is the original alternator. That's the part number. I sneak my new alternator in from under the coolant hose, and before you put it back, make sure you check on the connector. Make sure the pin in here is good. The wire is not broken at the neck right here. Make sure it's not corroded, damaged, or anything. The cable is also good. I put it back. If everything is good, just put everything back. Reinstall it. So I got the alternator in already. Put back the belt also. Now I'm just gonna put back my air tube and the negative terminal on the battery. Everything take me like 10 minutes to take out and put back. Well, before I replace the starter, I checked the battery with the battery tester. The battery is good. I checked the charging system. It was charging low. With the new alternator now, with the engine running, it's charging at 13.9, so that's pretty good. Under charging alternator would be under 12.5, up to 14.5. 14.5 is good enough. Anything more than that is overcharged. So it's at 13.8. This is pretty good. That is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. Again, you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me, but I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.